Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel on Easy Chinese. This is Jiandu here. This video includes 7 Chinese characters. The first one is geng, root. And geng has other extended meanings. You don't need to deliberately memorize them because geng does not exist in its single character while referring to these meanings. And it is fine if you forget them during next months, weeks, or even days, as long as you have a vivid impression of them, because they will be automatically aroused from the depth of your mind on some specific occasions. Okay, next, just check this picture and open your mind. You see, geng, this root, okay, keeps the whole plant on the ground. So geng has the meaning of a base, and geng absorb water, nutrition to keep this life. So geng, we can say it is the source of life. And here's your park with beautiful flowers, but annoyed weed in between. So you have better to uproot all of them. It is geng uproot. And geng, you see, this shape, it is thin, it is soft and round. So we describe anything with this feature. Geng, for example, here is a pen, a geng pen, and here's a cigarette, one geng cigarette, and here's a hair, okay, and one geng hair. Okay, next character, 种 seed, 种 third tongue, 种 seed. Okay, and you see, here are apples, here are pears, here are fishes, here are birds. What makes them different from one another? Okay, seed, just 种 makes them different. So 种 has this kind of meaning, like race, species, okay, different types. For example, you and me are 2 different 种 people, because you and me have different characteristics. Okay, very clear, right? Next, 种 has another pronunciation, 重, the 4th tone, 种. Okay, 种 means to plant. To plant, it's a verb. To plant what? 种 子 种 means plant a seed. Okay, the next 种 树 tree. Okay, plant, very clear. Next, 干 means trunk, the main body of a tree, the main body of a human being, trunk. Okay, then 干 has another meaning, to do something. It is a verb, to do something. And for example, do your work. You can say 干 your work. Okay, 干, the same. 干has another pronunciation, but we do not explain there. And here, 干will be classified to other group. Okay, 干. Next, 知 fixed combination. First one, 知 means twig. Okay, some leaves, twig. Next, 叶 also fixed combination. Leaf means leaf. You see, leaf. Okay, next, 果 果 means fruit. And check this picture. 果 is the final result of all these growing process. Okay, it is the final result of it. So 果 means the final result has such features like tangible, okay, and then a definitive, determined 果. Do you get the point of it? Okay, it's okay, never mind. Just it is just means the final result, definitive. Okay, next, 和 means core of 果, 和 of 果, core of anything. Okay, 和 it means the center of something. Okay, that's all of these 7 characters. But finally, check this part. Is it 枝 or 干? Okay, it is 枝干, a combination, 枝干, a combination. Okay, let me introduce a very, very important feature of the construction of Chinese combination. As long as you assimilate it, it will fasten your progress of learning Chinese. Okay, you see, this 干 is a keyword here to this combination. And 枝 just assists this 干, okay? Assists this 干, 枝干. So, this character just demonstrate this part is a part of this trunk. Okay? Is it clear enough? Okay. What if I reverse these 2 characters to be 干枝? Okay. And now 枝 becomes a keyword. 枝 becomes a keyword, and 干 just assists 枝. Okay, let me imagine it. What is 干枝? Let me imagine it. Okay, here's a strong tree, and then here are some other small twigs. So this one we call the 干枝. Okay, it's coming to the end of this episode. Thank you for your time. Please subscribe to my channel to have new updated videos. Okay, see you next time.